Welcome to Mortgage Market Smart. In this video, we're going to be focusing on our new filters for LMI and majority-minority census tracts. So now, from your map, simply take your layer and click on the layer name, and then go to Filter Settings, and from here we can pick LMI, or low to moderate income tracts, and say LMI and click apply. And now your layer will automatically filter the census tracts so that only the low to moderate income census tracts remain on the map. Similarly, if we wanted to show majority minority census tracts, we could click on MMCT and click apply, and we'll look at the map and see how it changes. And now only the majority minority census tracts remain. So that is from the map for layers. Now, if we go back to our top lender report, for example, we can simply go from our dashboard, click on the top lender report, select the Dallas MSA, and from here, we can go from our dashboard and go to our top loan originators tile. Click on the tile, select Dallas for the Dallas MSA. And now when we select the date range and hit refresh, we can see that the information is being pulled up by the system for Dallas and for all residential properties, all loan types, all transaction types. And once this returns, we can see that, Bijou Paul is number one overall for Dallas-Fort Worth with 2,214 loans overall, 1,607 of which are in Dallas. And we can see the other loan originators here. But as soon as we click on LMI, the table will update so that Bijou Paul is no longer number one based on low to moderate income census tracts. And again, same thing, it's Dina Pearson. And if we were to check out the who the top loan originators were in the majority minority census tract, we could see, oh, well, Bijou Paul is actually number one in the majority minority census tract with 307 originated residential loans in 2021. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time.